Hey everybody, welcome back to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today I've got okra to harvest. Now okra is something that most people either love or they hate. I, for one, really like it. So, I already harvested most of these pods. I'm leaving the little ones here. I like to have mine at least as big as my pointing finger. So this one has a little bit more to grow. But the thing with okra is that you have to stay on top of it. Because if you don't harvest it every day, you'll end up with some gigantically long ones. It's kind of like zucchini. I'll pick it tomorrow, and then by tomorrow it's gigantic. So let's go in the house and I'll show you what I got. Now okra is extremely easy to freeze. Now, remember what I said, if you leave it go too long, it gets too big? I didn't get to the garden for about 3 days, and this is one of the ones that I found. And you know that it's way past harvesting when you can hear that sound. It's hard to cut through, and it makes a crunchy sound. So we're going to pass on that one. Now, before you start cutting them up, the first thing you need to do is wash them and dry them the best you can. This is what a perfect one looks like. It's about the size of my finger, a little bit longer, but not too bad. Listen to this. No sound whatsoever. So you cut the tops off, cut the tail off, make them about 1/2 inch spacing. Try to keep them uniformed if you can. Now, okra, like everything else, should be blanched. However, there's different ways to blanching. And the way I blanch my okra is I put it on a pizza tray with aluminum foil, spread them out, I set my oven to 300 degrees. Pop the pizza tray into the oven and set it for 4 minutes. Okay. After the 4 minutes, you'll take them out, you put them on top of the stove and leave them cool. When they cool down, you put them in a freezer bag, label the freezer bag, vacuum seal it, and put them into the freezer. It's that simple. And you can use them either just like you would fresh. You can bread them and fry them. You can use them in the air fryer. You can drop them into soups and stews. Yeah, just any way you would use a regular frozen okra, you can use these. So I hope you've learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember to share it with your friends. Give okra a try. This method really seems to cut down on the amount of slime that some people don't like in okra. So give this a try and see what you think. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it and if you think it's a good way to do it. So remember, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.